Today we're going to be looking at how to find the area of a square. And whenever you hear the term area, it refers to the space inside of a shape. So in question number 1, when we're being asked to find the area of this blue square, we're being asked to figure out the space inside of that square. And as you can see here up at the top, area equals length times width. So whenever we're trying to figure out the area of something, we're going to use the formula of area equals length times width. So in question number 1 here, we can see that we already have the values for our length and our width, and they're both 3 centimeters, which makes sense because whenever we're looking at a square has 4 sides that have an equal length. So the first thing that we're going to do to figure out the area here is we're going to write our formula down below, or area equals length times width. And we know the values for both of these, so we can go ahead and just plug these in. We have a length of 3 centimeters, and we have a width of 3 centimeters as well. And 3 times 3 gives us 9. But now we need to make sure that we're including our unit of measurement, which we can get from looking up above. And we can see here that we're working in centimeters. So we're going to go ahead and just write centimeters beside here. But we're going to add a 2 up on top of that centimeter to show that that's a squared centimeter. So in question number 1, the area of this blue square is 9 squared centimeters. And in order for this to make sense, what I've done is I've actually broken up this square into little tiny squared centimeters. So as you can see here, we have a length of 3 centimeters, and we have a width of 3 centimeters as well. And we can make sure that we've gotten the right answer here by just counting the total number of squares within here. And we can see that we have 9 squared centimeters within this square. So now moving on to question number 2 here, we can see that we only have one side that's labeled, which is 7 meters. And you remember that whenever we're looking at a square, they're all going to have an equal length for all 4 sides. So we're going to go ahead and just label one of the other sides here, and we know that it's going to have a length of 7 meters. So now to figure out the area, we're going to follow the same process as earlier. So we know that area equals length times width, and we know that we have a length of 7 meters, and we have a width of 7 meters as well. And 7 times 7 gives us 49. Next, we need to make sure that we're using the correct unit of measurement, which in this case is meters. So we're going to go ahead and write a meters beside there. And next, we have to make sure that we include our little 2 up here to show that that's a squared meter. So in question number 2, the area for this red square is 49 squared meters. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to find the area of a square. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below to see more content just like this. As always, enjoy today's math lesson.